RDDT, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I am the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. It's taken me 5 years, and unironically, Reddit, like, yeah, I caught this beautiful long here, which has delivered, and that's very, very nice. Very good from Reddit, you know. It was like 145 at a time, like 148. I wanted to take the highs out. It went as much as 230, you know, and I was just trying to milk the whole way up. And since I've seen this second break, this was like actually a great delivery. And you can see it came down, delivered. And then I was looking to double down, never got the rules. So this is this delivery here, which I'm still going to keep for sure. I still count this as a great demand zone, no doubt, and only am going to buy if I see a shift or confirmation, right? And if not, there's no way. Why the heck would I force, right? There's no need to force trades. There's always opportunity. No need. Just be patient, right? And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free email.